guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I am in this traditional attire. So it's obvious for you guys that I'll be creating a traditional look. But this traditional look is specifically during daytime. So guys, we often get confused during a daytime function or a festival or maybe a ritual of a wedding when it comes to choose a color of an outfit or the fabric of that outfit, or it can also be the jewelry, what kind of jewelry we should carry during a daytime function. So in this video guys, I'll be covering all the points which you need to know before you go for a daytime function. So please watch this video till the end because I'll be sharing amazing ideas with you guys. Okay, so now let's quickly get into the makeup. Here, I moisturized my skin first with this advanced serum by Face Shop. This will help my skin to stay hydrated and also the foundation to glide onto my skin for smoother finish. And second reason I use this because it gives that extra glow to my skin. So I never skip this product. Starting with my eyebrows, I am combing my eyebrow hair in upward direction. And with the help of an eyebrow pencil, I am quickly filling the sparse area and trying to give a nice upward arc to my eyebrows. To define my eyebrows further, I used a concealer from LA Pro Girl and then used a loose powder to avoid creasing. The one I used is from Maybelline Fit Me. Starting with my eyes, I used Wet n Wild palette in the range Rose in the Air and using this pastel brown as my transition. Moving further for crease, I used this beautiful rose pink color and applied it on my outer corner in the crease area and as well as on the inner corner. I am avoiding the center part of the lid because I am going to do a halo look today. Then taking this shimmery beautiful orange pinkish color and applying it on the center of the lid and then blending everything all together to avoid any harsh lines. Now before starting with the base, I used a primer which will clarify my pores and also help my makeup to stay longer. The one I am using is the Pore Freshener Primer by Benefit. Moving towards foundation, I used the Fit Me foundation by Maybelline in the shade 115. Dotting it on my face and neck area and quickly blending it out with the help of a brush. I chose this foundation because it's a lightweighted foundation, plus it blends into the skin very nicely. Now here again I am using LA Pro Concealer to highlight my face. I am applying it under my eyes, on bridge of my nose, below the cheeks and also on the chin. Basically all the high points of my face and then blending it into my skin. To To set everything, I used a loose powder again by Maybelline Fit Me. This will help to lock my base and also it helps to avoid cakiness. After setting my face, I took similar eyeshadow in rose pink color and smudging it in my lower lash line. To contour my face, I am using a pastel brown color which I earlier used as my transition. Now I am using as my contour and placed it near my cheekbones and also on my nose. Make sure you are blending the contour very well, since we are using a darker color on our face. Then using a light pink lipstick on the apple of my cheek to give that youthful touch. With the help of a highlighter, I am highlighting my highest point of my face. The highlighter which I am using is my Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighter. Then completing my eyes with a coat of mascara on upper as well as lower lash line. And yes, finished my look with a nude pink lipstick. You can also go with a slightly dark pink tone color. So yes, with this we have completed our makeup part. So since we are doing a traditional look, I added on a small bindi, tied a loose bun and added gajra on top of it to give that traditional feel into the look. For jewelry, I chose for a medium length of jhumkas and a choker to look it more elegant. Now let's move towards our second segment. That is, which color sari we should choose during daytime function. My answer would be choose all the soft pastel light colors. Yes, choose all the lightest color during daytime. It could be baby pink, soft berry pink, carnation pink, or it could be the lightest shades of blue like aqua blue, turquoise blue, or even sky blue. Now even for this video, I chose a turquoise blue sari which is perfect for daytime function. Basically guys, we are using all light colors during daytime. It could be any color, but make sure it is the lightest shade of that neutral color. It could be light orange, light blue, light green, light pink, any lightest shade of a neutral color. Here are some of the pictures of sari I inserted for more understanding. The reason behind choosing the lightest soft shade during daytime is it complements great with the daytime climate and also makes us look more elegant. And try to avoid wearing all the dark shade colors like red, maroon, black, dark brown. Say no to this color because it looks too much loud during daytime. And instead go for light pastel colors. Now guys, let's move towards our third segment, that is, what fabric should we prefer during daytime function. As we understood in our previous segment, how important is to choose colors, in the same way, it's also important to choose a particular preferable fabric to achieve that elegant classy look. during daytime, go for fabrics which are very comfortable and also very soft in texture. So fabrics like pure cotton, pure chiffon or even linen fabric gives that comfort and also feels comfortable after wearing. Now let's move towards our last but definitely not the least segment of this video, that is which jewelry we should pick during daytime functions. Now always go for a statement neck pieces when it comes to daytime functions. That means go for a single neck pieces. It could be in a form of a simple choker or a single long neck piece. This type of jewelry complements great with the simple lightweighted sarees and gives that elegant touch to the entire look. Avoid wearing a gold neck pieces and a diamond neck pieces during daytime function. It can look too loud. And a very small quick tip for makeup guys is don't use red lipstick or very dark shade lipstick during daytime. Instead go for a very nude lipstick like light pink, peach lipstick. It will look more elegant during daytime. So yes guys, with this I had covered all the segments from makeup to jewelry for a daytime functional wear. I will be also posting afternoon look and also night looks in the upcoming videos. So guys, please subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss that video and also click that thumbs up button if you found my video helpful.